let's talk about texture. Texture is how something feels. It's the surface quality of an object. So think about how something might feel to you. If you rub your shirt, is it soft and smooth, or maybe you have sequins on it and that makes it bumpy and rough? Or if you were to rub the floor, is the floor hard and smooth? I hope so. I hope it's not too dirty. And if you were to maybe feel the walls, is the wall smooth because it's painted, or maybe it's brick and it's got little holes in it making it bumpy? So I want you to think of all different texture words. So then I want you to fill in the blank here. Texture is how something looks or feels. There are two different types of texture. So there's actual or real texture. Actual or real texture is something you can feel with your skin, you can hear it with your ears, you can taste it with your tongue. And you might be saying, how do I taste a texture? Picture if you have mashed potatoes in your mouth and you're chewing on those mashed potatoes and they're kind of thick. Or what if you had bubble gum in your mouth and it's nice and smooth but a little bit sticky? That is how you could taste texture with your tongue. Or you can hear it with your ears. Think about if you're listening to some very loud music. Maybe that music sounds heavy, or maybe there's music that sounds light and fluffy. Those are actual textures. But implied or simulated texture, that's how a texture looks. So if you were looking at a picture or a photograph and something looked fluffy, like a picture of a teddy bear, it's not actually fluffy because it's a picture. It's really just flat, like a piece of paper. So what I want you to do at the bottom is I want you to take these words, your hair, a picture of hair, a cat, clouds, a drawing of a rock, and a photograph of a rough wall. And I want you to write the words in these categories. Is it something you can feel? Is it actual texture or real texture? Or is it implied texture or simulated texture? So I did some of it for you. So hair, you can feel your hair. You can actually feel it. It's real. So that would go in this category. But a picture of hair, you can't actually feel the hair in the picture. It's implied and simulated, so I would put it here. I want you to try the rest of those. And then here are some more texture words for you, like rough and smooth and soft and sticky. These are all different words that you could think of when you think of textures, but there's many, many, many more out there. I just wanted to give you some to get your mind thinking about it. Have fun using texture in your artwork.